Do you own the Sell-Off Play CELB token and you're struggling with how to swap your token into USDT or any other token? This video is the right video for you. In this video, I will show you a quick way of how I swap the Sell-Off Play CELB token to USDT using just my Trust Wallet and a DeFi platform. Now, the first thing you'd want to do before starting this is either go to BSC Scan or you come to CoinMarketCap and then copy out the contract address for CELB token. And once that is done, exit out of the browser and then go to your Trust Wallet. Now, once you're in Trust Wallet, as you can see here, I have $683 worth of CELB token. Now, the next thing I'll do is click on the Discover. Once I click on the Discover, I activate the search bar and then type in Valeris Network and hit Enter. Now, this is going to load up a DeFi platform, and in this platform, this is where we are going to be swapping our CELB token. Now, before you start, there are two things you have to make sure you've done. The first is make sure that you've connected your wallet to the platform. I have already, and that is why you can see the address at this top, at this blue button at the top beside the network IAM selector. Now, that is showing my address. And if you let's say maybe if you've not connected, what you would see there is a wallet icon. Now, to be very sure that we're connected, I can click on the menu and then go to wallets. Now, this is going to show you that I'm connected and this is my address. Now, if you do not know how to connect, if you are seeing the connect icon on that button there, just click on it and follow the prompt to connect your wallet. It's easy. And if you have any difficulty connecting your wallet, a link will be provided at the top of this video that leads you to another video that shows how you can connect your wallet to the platform. Now, once this is out of the way, the next thing you want to do is change your network from Ethereum to BSC, because the Sell-Off Play token or the CELB token is on BSC. So change that. Give it a few seconds to sync our wallet properly. Now we have disconnected from we have changed our network to BSC. Now the next thing to do is click on the menu and then click on the swap button. Now once this is done, the next thing we want to do is I want to swap my CELB token into USDT. So the next thing I'll do is click on this BNB at the top here, and then first we'll search for CELB token. If CELB token is not found in the list, the next thing to do will be just to paste the contract address we copied from CoinMarketCap. I'll paste that in here. Once that is pasted, the next thing to do is click on the import token. Now give this a few seconds to properly import the token. And as you can see, our token has been imported here. Now, the next thing I want to do is to click on the max. So this selects the entire balance of CELB token that I have, and you can see my initial balance in USDT here. It's 3,648. Now we're going to be swapping an extra 683 USDT. Now click on swap and then confirm swap. Give this a few seconds to process, and as you can see, our swap has successfully been processed. Now click on the close button and then we can exit. You can see our balance here on the USDT. To fully confirm this, we can exit and then come back to our Trust Wallet home and give this a few seconds so that the record will sync properly. This usually doesn't take too much time. I just want this to happen live on the video. Give it a few seconds. You can currently see our USDT balance as 3,648. Once this syncs properly, our price is going to definitely reflect the current price as it is on the blockchain. Okay, this is taking a while. Let's give this a few more seconds. I don't want to go off camera. I want to do this live so we'll see the entire stuff happening. And as you can see, our balance is reflected here. We have now 4,332 USDT in our balance. So guys, if this video has been helpful, please do well to subscribe and turn on the bell notification so when next time I release another content, you would see it. And also, if you have questions, do not forget to drop them in the comment sections, and also like the video if it helped. Until next time, be good.